Unit 21. At the restaurant.
This is a nice restaurant.
Yes, thank you for inviting us.
I hear the food is delicious.
This is the nicest restaurant I have ever been to in my life. Bob, do you have your gift ready?
Yes, Al, I do.
Michelle, Juanita, Bob and I have gifts for you.
Oh, you shouldn't have.
Well, we decided flowers are too boring and chocolate will make you fat.
So we put our heads together to come up with some really exciting gifts.
You guys are so kind.
Yes, you two are so very thoughtful.
Bob, would you like to go first?
Yes, Al, don't mind if I do. Juanita, this is for you.
A goldfish?
No, not a goldfish. It's an Oscar fish.
Well, thank you, I think.
And when it gets bigger, it eats the goldfish.
That's disgusting.
Wow, that's cool.
Now for you, Michelle. Voila!
What is this? Some sort of dartboard?
Oh, Al, you're so handsome in your picture.
So, what do you think?
Do you like your gifts?
Well, I really like the fish, Juanita.
I really like your picture, Michelle.
This is a nice restaurant.
Yes, thank you for inviting us.
I hear the food is delicious.
Michelle, Juanita, Bob and I have gifts for you. Bob, would you like to go first?
Do you like your gifts?
Well, I really like the fish, Juanita.